In front of me is Cubot King Kong Mini free, and today I would like to show you how you can add a password to Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down to access Passwords and Accounts. Then click on this gear next to Google under Autofill service and click on Google Password Manager. Now, if you can't see any of those options, that means that you never added a password before. To make them visible, you need at least one, so to fix it, hit this gear next to Password Manager. Make sure that Offer to Save Passwords is on. Log into any app and hit Save in Autofill pop-up. This way, your first password will appear here, and you'll be able to add any other one from those settings. To do it now, use this plus next to Search Passwords. Then finally, input all of those informations. At the top, type in any website or click on Select App to tap on the chosen one. Then enter your username, email or phone number, password, and even take some helpful notes. When you finished, hit Save at the top right corner. As you can see, after that, my password was successfully added. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!